Hey guys, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com. I just wanted to take a quick second to go over the premium membership that we're offering from here on moving forward. And the premium membership bundles together the strategy session, the weekend update, and the model portfolio. And if you haven't followed along before, you can get a sample of all of those pieces of information right here if you just click this Get Sample button. So for instance, on the nightly strategy session that's distributed Monday through Thursdays, we're going to go over a review of the day's price action and market moving events, some open stock positions in detail, identify some potential trailing stop levels, and then just a review of things going on as far as what weekly watch list stocks we're looking at, and our opening and closing trades, if any, that we had triggered during the day, and then finally if there's anything that is relevant for the next day's trading. So again, if you haven't followed along before, you're more than welcome to go ahead, click that Get Sample button, and it'll provide a full-length video in detail of what we would normally offer in that nightly strategy session. Same holds true for the weekend update as well as the model portfolio. And the model portfolio obviously will not be a video, but it'll be a link to an older version of the model portfolio, so you can go ahead, scroll around, see exactly what we provide, what kind of information is in there, and then just so you can see performance and position calculator and everything like that. So obviously if that's something that interests you, I highly recommend you take advantage of the free trial period. There's a 14-day free trial. All right, and for right now, we are running a launch sale. Depending on when you view this video, obviously that launch sale may have ended, but there are probably other times when there will be a discounted rate to the membership area. So if it's something you're interested in, definitely go ahead. You can click this I understand, read through the terms and conditions, and then click the purchase button, fill out the information, and you will be sent over to Stripe. Stripe will finalize the transaction, and you will end up getting a login information and everything on the next page. And at that point, you'll actually have a login. You'll log into the members area, and this is the members area. So the first thing I want to point out to you guys is, as a member, you will receive discounts to other training material. We are in the process of launching Technical Analysis 101. That's an e-course. It's a 4-part e-course that basically takes you from not knowing any information about how to read a stock chart or anything like that, and gives you all the information you need to know to at least be able to start paper trading. At the end of that video, I would say paper trading is definitely the outcome that you would want to get to until you feel more comfortable. But again, the 4-part e-course is delivered to give you all that information. So again, as a member, you would receive a 20% off coupon code. All right, and it'll be posted right here in the top of the members area. Any group training scheduled, sessions that are scheduled will also be listed here. You can see here, I mean, this is just a bogus date at this point, but you could see here September 20th, and then again a coupon code for 20% off. So I wanted to make the premium membership as beneficial to as many people as possible, and I felt that by doing some member discounts on the training material was essential to making sure everyone not only benefited from the premium membership itself, but could also benefit from the other training material that was offered, because everyone's going to come in here with different knowledges and of the markets and everything like that. So if they want to take advantage of a group training course or an e-course, again, I wanted to make sure that everyone had the opportunity to do so, and being that you are a member, I wanted to give it to you at a discounted rate. Next thing on the list here would be this monthly review video. All right, so this will be put out at the end of every month, basically outlining all the opening and closing trades that we made for the month, going over our profit and loss basically for the month. Some months there may be a couple trades. This past month for December, it happened to be that there was about 18 closing trades because we closed out a lot of positions before the end of the year. So that video will go over where we kind of came from this month, basically where we're looking to go, for the next month, and any important information that needs to go put out to the members. On the right side here, you'll see all of my tweets. All right, so I was actually tweeted out the other day a picture of our 2014 final gain. So it looks like we annualized a return of about 13.96% for 2014. So it's better than just about the same as what the S&P did for the year. But needless to say, we outperformed the S&P during the months that we had started the blog itself and the model portfolio. So essentially from July of 2014 onward, we outperformed the S&P. So the annualized return is good. I'm curious if we would have continued to outperform the S&P had we traded all year, but that's what 2015 is for. As well, here we have all trade activity for December 2014. If you open that, it'll actually open a picture of our trade summary from Thinkorswim. Okay, I use Thinkorswim paper money for those of you who don't know. So all of our closing trades are here, and again, you can see about 18 of those on that list. Continue downward on here, and this is essentially the spot for all members. I mean, if you're a member, this is where you want to come. It'll have every nightly strategy session will be posted here, and next to it will be a playlist. Okay, so you can see here November 12th, 11th, 10th. So every night there is a strategy session. Come here, you can view the video right inside the blog. All right, that plays, and then you could also make it full screen for your viewing pleasure. All right, and again, same with the weekend update. Playlist is available, so you'll see every weekend update will be in there. You can skip back to one if you missed one, and you jump around. But again, those are issued every weekend. The nightly strategy sessions Monday through Thursdays, so they're going to get a lot more of those. And then the final thing would be the updated model portfolio, and this actually is updated for the end of 2014 as reflected in that video. We could see here a bunch of closed trades here with that same 13.81% gain for the year. All right, and again, follow through. You could see our 2014 performance. Give you a little equity chart at the top. Our blue line is our portfolio. Red line is the S&P. You could see over the last few weeks here how we outperformed the market. And at one point we were underperforming, and then the market gave back a lot more than we did. So again, just nice to have that information. And right now we're starting on 2015. Here's a position calculator that I utilize when I go ahead and input a trade. So you'll see I enter the stock symbol. It'll automatically populate the current price. I'll put in our stop. It'll generate the risk, and it'll tell me the position size that we should utilize for the portfolio. So again, when I make a trade, that stays up until the next trade goes in. And just so you guys can see how very simplistic and mechanical all of the trading here is. So I mean, that's an overview of the model portfolio. I think it's going to be a great asset for those young and upcoming traders, and even for the seasoned vets who need a little assistance with some certain things, maybe position sizing, portfolio management. I really think the membership is going to offer a lot for a lot of different people. So very excited about it. I just want to give you guys a quick tour of it, in case there was any concerns or questions about what you were actually receiving. Again, please go through and listen to the samples that I provided of the model portfolio. Of the strategy session and weekend update. Take a look at that model portfolio, and I hope to see you soon as a member. All right, thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.